Something big is happening on YouTube, and it's unlike anything I've seen before year 2024. If you've ever wanted to start a YouTube channel, now is the time. This recent algorithm shift is opening up doors like never before, and those who act fast will have a serious advantage. In today's video, we'll break down what's changing, why YouTube is suddenly boosting small creators, and the 3 best video formats to thrive in 2025. Let's get into it. YouTube's algorithm shift. Why small channels are winning. Lately, you may have noticed tiny channels, some with only a few hundred subscribers, appearing alongside huge creators on your YouTube homepage. This is not random. YouTube has publicly confirmed that they are actively prioritizing new and smaller creators. The reason? It's simple. More creators mean more content, and more content means more ad revenue for YouTube. For the first time in history, YouTube is deliberately helping new channels grow, making this the perfect moment to get started. But the key question is, what kind of videos should you create? You can't just upload anything and hope for success. After extensive research, I've identified 3 video styles that are performing incredibly well right now and will continue to dominate in 2025. Format number 1, journey-based content. This type of content is skyrocketing in popularity because people crave authenticity. It's as simple as picking up your camera and sharing your real experiences. Look at Sam Sulek. He records his gym workouts with no fancy edits, and yet his videos rack up millions of views. The secret? Raw, unfiltered reality. People are tired of polished, overproduced content. They want genuine, behind-the-scenes access to someone's progress, whether it's fitness, business, or a personal journey. If you're working on a goal, skill, or challenge, film it. Your growth story will resonate with people. Format number 2, documenting progress in real time. This is similar to journey content, but with a specific goal in mind. You're bringing people along as you learn or build something new. Take Daniel Dalen, who openly shares his business-building experiences while traveling. He doesn't hide the mistakes, he embraces them. People don't just want success stories. They want to see the struggles, failures, and real-time lessons. This format allows viewers to connect with you on a deeper level. If you're starting a business, learning a skill, or taking on a challenge, document the process and share the highs and lows. Format number 3, educational and expert content. This is my personal favorite because it's highly profitable. You don't need millions of views, just an engaged audience. Look at Charlie Morgan. His entire channel revolves around teaching people how to grow an agency, and he's making 7 figures a year with a simple setup, just a whiteboard and valuable insights. Or Cardinal Mason, who focuses on teaching copywriting and has built a highly successful business from it. The best part? You don't need to be the top expert. You just need to know more than the people you're helping. If you have a skill or knowledge, whether it's social media, business, fitness, or any niche, share it. People come to YouTube for solutions, and that's exactly what this format provides. If you've come this far in this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss anything in my next upload. Now, how small channels are pulling in 6 figures. One of the biggest mistakes new creators make is relying solely on YouTube AdSense. Here's the reality. Ad revenue is unpredictable, but successful creators are earning through 1. Consulting and coaching, offering expertise-based sessions. 2. Digital products, selling templates, ebooks, and courses. 3. Brand partnerships, landing sponsorships for additional income. 4. Affiliate marketing, earning commissions from recommended products. Even small YouTube channels with just a few thousand subscribers are making 6 figures because they focus on value, not virality. So here's my challenge for you. Take action today. You don't need expensive gear. You don't need a perfect script. You just need to start. This new YouTube algorithm shift is giving small creators an edge, but this opportunity won't last forever. Like this video if you found great value from it. Subscribe to this channel where I will be uploading videos on how you can start your YouTube beginner's journey from creating, uploading, growth, and monetization. I'll see you in the next video.